Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to enable and install two eSIMs in your iPhone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings, click on mobile service. Now scroll down. Here you can see the add eSIM feature. Just you have to do is tap on it, and friends, there are two way to install your eSIM. First one is transfer from nearby iPhone, and second one is use QR code. And there are you can just install 8 to 9 eSIM, and it will be only to activate SIM card. So you can just click on QR code and contact your network provider for your scanner. So friends, there will be two only activate for this, and they will give you like this QR code. You can see like this. You have to just click on use QR and just scan it with this scanner like this, and it will be added to your eSIMs. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.